coming from Chavi Sports Center, and we would like to announce to you for this morning, meron kaming tinatawag na raffle draw. Yes, may raffle kami to the raffle this coming 2025. So, anong meron? So, this is it. So, hawak kayo ni Coach is the Super ALC Vizcaria, which is our grand prize for the raffle. No? So, yung mga magagaling dyan na mga player na hindi abot kaya sa budget nila na bumili nito. So, eto na yung inaantay nyo guys. Alright. So, yung raffle natin is worth, every slot is only 200 pesos. So, isang malaking tulong po ito para sa mga aspirant natin na mga players na syempre, instead na bumili pa kayo ng raketa na napakamahal, dito baka pala manalo kayo. Diba? So, this is the grand prize. Then, our second prize is this one. From Donic, Philippines. Yes. Yun. True carbon naman ito, guys. True carbon. Ultra Rock Original. Yan yung second prize natin para sa raffle natin. And then, syempre, yung third prize natin is eto. Third prize natin is Butterfly Big Mix 009C. Yan yung third prize natin. And we have also our consolation prize. Siguro yung consolation prize natin is 7 consolation prize na parating. So guys, in-invite namin kayo na sumali kayo sa aming raffle. It's only 200 pesos per slot. So what is 200 pesos as of now? Binibili na natin yan ng milk tea, pinapang scatter, diba? So dito, may future yung 200 nyo. Magiging isa pa kayo sa mga magagaling na mga player in the future. Kasi nga, syempre, paano ka magiging magaling kung yung equipment mo naman kapos? O diba? So pero kung yung equipment mo ay napakaganda, o di kaya mo nang makipagsabayan sa mga malalakas. Alright. And ito pa. Ano pang meron? Okay, good news. So we will having our developmental tournament is coming end of June. Okay, so gear up na kayo guys. Yung mga player natin dyan, gear up na. Practice na, maghanda na. So, what is the category for this coming tournament is end of June. Our category is 8 under mix. Alright, single lang yan ha. And 10 under mix also. And 12 under mix. And 14 under mix. So, ibig sabihin, pag mix single, babae, lalaki yan. And then, eto pa good news. Pag napasok kayo sa top 3, meron na kayo agad na isang slot sa raffle. Alright, wala pa yan ha? Hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan yung price mo. So, pag nag-champion kayo, pag nag-second kayo, at saka nag-third kayo sa tournament. So, you have already bonus. Yung bonus, meron kayo isang slot sa raffle, para sa raffle draw. Alright. So, what is our prizes for the champion? Okay. Yung prizes natin for the champion, syempre, is 1,000 for the champion for the cash prize, and 800 for the second, and for the third is 500. At yun lang yan. Syempre, may kasama, alright, jersey from Jola, Philippines. Okay, thank you very much for the sponsor. Sir Philip Uy, thank you very much ha. Ito, yan. Yan yung isa sa mga pamimigay ni Coach sa mananalo. So, ano pang inaantay nyo guys? Dito na kayo. So, we will send you the details and mechanics how to join para sa tournament at saka sa raffle. So, eto dami So, eto na yung inaabangan ng lahat. O, diba? So, diba sabi ko one time, can you guess what is Coach is thinking? So, eto na. So, may mga bola pa tayo pamimigay sa mga mananalong At saka hindi na yan, dadagdagan pa namin yan. Meron pa tayong trophy. Alright. At saka meron tayong mga racket cases. So guys, ano pang inaantay nyo? So this coming, maybe this week, we will post the lahat-lahat ng kakailanganin ninyo na malaman for the mechanics, for the raffle, and also for the tournament. So this is Coach Darwin at your service, and we would like to thank the Chavez Sports Center, to Boss Toto Paul for the wonderful support, and Ma'am Kawi Harder, and also President Bonilla, and Ma'am Teng Bonilla, and Ma'am Kiana Bonilla, and also Heras Homes, and Golden Tree 8. Thank you very much, and this is Coach Darwin at your service. Thank you.